Are you feeding yourself cheese? Good job, Cooper. Look at you go. That's right. Very good. Say, I started doing this on Christmas Day. I decided that I could feed myself. And now I've got it down. 2 days later and I figured it all out, haven't you, Cooper? So many changes. At 9 months old, everything's happening. Oh, you missed that one. There, you got that little pincher going. Good job. You're getting the... Oh, there you go. Oh, my. You've got multiple pieces there. You dropped a few, honey. Here you go. Oh, delicious. Are you eating some cheese? Look at that. What a big boy. Oh, and enjoying it too. How about that? If you could just get the whole hand in your mouth. Way to go, Cooper.